Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Python and pip must be present. Run Python version and pip version so you know what you have. Once done, install Jupyter with pip install notebook, or, if you use Anaconda, conda install notebook. Make sure to navigate to the project folder in command prompt using CD so notebooks open in the right place. This gets you immediately into the environment where you'll launch the server and keep files organized for reproducible work. You now launch the server. Type Jupyter Notebook at the command prompt and press Enter. The command starts a local server and typically opens your default browser. If you prefer no automatic browser or need a different port, run Jupyter Notebook no browser or Jupyter Notebook port equals 8889. These flags control how and where the server listens. Make sure to activate any virtualenv or conda environment first so the kernel uses the correct packages. To finish your session, save notebooks and stop the server with Ctrl+C in the command prompt. Confirm shutdown when prompted. If a kernel fails to start, install the missing package into the active environment and restart the kernel. That fixes most import errors. If you see address already in use, either specify a different port with port or identify and kill the conflicting process. One key tip: if browser won't connect, copy the token URL from the CMD output into your browser to authenticate and resume work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.